when you take a look at your contracting business, you're probably chasing the exact same business that your competitors are. It's that 16 SEER high efficiency changeout. You're in a race to the bottom as far as price and margin go. And then your potential customer has 4 quotes in front of them.
Yeah, you're one of 3 or 4 guys walking in the house, right?
What are you going to do to differentiate yourself? What are you going to do to set yourself apart from those other quotes there?